Hi, math fans. I hope you had a fantastic weekend and are ready to dive into this brand new packet. So, I posted this packet on Class Dojo, or you should have gotten it at school, but it gives you all of the new days that we will not be in the school building. And then it assigns pretty much a problem set and then some IXL math skills that you should be doing every weekday, okay? Because we still want to improve on our great math skills that we have worked so hard to build upon this year. So today is March 30th, and we will be working on this lesson 5 problem set. And in addition to that, you guys should log on to IXL. Only expecting around 15 minutes a day. So if you get to 15 minutes, feel free to stop there or feel free to keep going. But be sure to do at least 15 minutes a day. Okay. So moving on to the problem set. So today we're doing this lesson 5 problem set. And you guys got 2 pages today, mainly because this is pretty easy review stuff, right? With rounding and greater than, less than, or equal sign. And there's not too many problems. Okay, so let's do some review problems and you guys will be all good to go. Okay, so I am pulling this problem and it is essentially asking us to put these numbers first in the place value chart and then comparing the numbers. So let's do that. You guys are pretty good in knowing your place values chart. We always start farthest to the right. Okay, so this is my ones place. For the sake of time, I'm just going to write this once. So I have my ones, my tens, my hundreds, my thousands, my 10,000s, my 100,000s, and my millions. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and put both of these numbers in the place values chart, because then that's going to help us determine which number is larger. Okay, so I'm going to put this number in the place values chart first, this 409,004. So I'm going to put the 4 here because we always start, as I said, farthest to the right. So 4, 0, 0, 9, 0, 4. And then we're going to put this number on the bottom, this 440,002. 2, 0, 0, 0, 4, 4. Okay, math fans. As you can see, both of these numbers are in the 100,000s. So now I'm going to be sure to start looking in the left and go to the right from there to determine which number is bigger. So which number is bigger? 4 or 4? Well, they are equal. So that means I need to bring my attention to the 10,000s place. Okay, what number is bigger, the 0 or the 4? I know that 4 is bigger than 0. So that would mean that this number, 440,002, must be bigger than 409,004. And I'm going to show that by putting this greater than sign. Okay, remember the alligator? And the alligator always chops, so the alligator always eats the bigger number because the alligator is hungry, so the alligator eats big. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next one. And this problem is directly on your packet. It is this problem. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so this problem is also telling me to compare. But I have one set of numbers in expanded form, and then I have other sets of numbers in word form. So let's try to get both of these numbers into standard form, and then this will be much easier to see, much easier to do. So this problem is telling me to add. So what am I going to do? I'm going to add this 500,000 plus this 80,000. I make sure, Math Stars, that we are lining up our numbers. I know this one I could have done better, but make sure we are lining up our numbers so we do not get confused. This 9,000, and then this 100, and I have 0, 0, 1, 9, 8, 5. So this number in standard form, after I added that together, is just 589,100, as that's the number that I got down here. Okay, and now let's write this problem in word form, it is in word form. Let's write it in standard form. So I have 508,901. Okay, so I have 508 over here. So 508. But it says I have 508,000. Okay, if we look on the place values chart, how many zeros do I have to place after 1,000? 1, 2, 3. I have to place 3. Okay, so I have 508,901. So 901. I'm going to add those together. 1, 0, 9, 8, 0, 5. So this number ends up how we view it in standard form, or what the number is in standard word and expanded form, would be 508,901. By looking at these numbers, remember, we're going to start all the way to the right or to the left first, because both of these numbers are in the 100,000s. So which number is bigger, the 5 or the 5? Well, they are equal, so let's move to the 10,000s. What number is bigger, the 8 or the 0? Well, the 8 is bigger than the 0, so 589,100 is a bigger number than 508,901. And I'm going to show that with this greater than sign. And remember, the alligator always eats the bigger number. Okay? So let's review the rest of these problems. So once again, the first two, all you're doing is putting the number in the place values chart and then comparing from there. These numbers, or question 2, same situation. Looking at the numbers and comparing them. Is 342,001 greater than, less than, or equal to 94,981? Okay, so be careful, because there are some of these numbers that you may want to convert to standard form so it's easier to see. Once you get to the back page, the C and D, same situation. So converting the word numbers in word form to standard form first, and then comparing. But then once you get to number 3, I want to turn your attention over here really quickly. All you're doing is ordering these numbers from least to greatest. What does least to greatest mean again? So I want you to look at these numbers and then list them from from smallest to biggest, from smallest to biggest, or from least to greatest. Okay? Got that, Math All-Stars? So in addition to these 2 pages, be sure to also log on to iExcel and do 4th grade math, the skill A12. Okay, have a great rest of your day.